Good morning, children. Now we are discussing the control of heartbeat. The mechanism of cardiac cycle and heartbeat we already discussed. Now the control of heartbeat. Heartbeat is controlled by by these structures. These structure means we know the human heart is myogenic. Myogenic means the controlled by the nodal tissue. Nodal tissues normally in different situation 99% are contractile tissues. We know the heart is made up of cardiac muscle fiber. The cardiac muscle fibers are rich in glycogen, highly vascular, abundant mitochondria, and poorly organized sarcomere is there. In normal condition, the myogenic heart is there working, the controlled by the nodal tissues. Nodal tissues means the SAN, AVN, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers control it. But in a special condition, in emergency, in specific emotion, in abnormal condition, normally controlled by myogenic, the nodal tissues, but in a special condition, in psychic influence, it is controlled by two systems, number one nervous and number two endocrine gland. In a nervous tissue, the medulla controls the heart functions, and as a endocrine gland, the adrenaline and the epinephrine, they control the noradrenaline, they control the heartbeat. We discuss both the things. So first we discuss the nervous control. Nervous control, there are two cardiovascular center. Two cardiovascular centers present in the medulla that control the heartbeat. So they regulate the SAN. SAN we know the sinoatrial node, or we call it pacemaker. So two cardiovascular center located in the medulla. They are located in the medulla, the part of the brain. So the two system, number one, the two center, one is the cardiac acceleratory center, and the second one is the cardiac inhibitory center. Inhibitory center. This center is responsible for the accelerating heartbeat during the special condition, and this center normalize the heartbeat. So the first, the cardiac acceleratory center, it regulate by SAN, regulate SAN by sympathetic nervous system. Regulate SAN by sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system are the part of autonomous nervous system. We will discuss in the nervous system. Nervous tissue when we discuss the brain or the part of the brain. So the SAN regulate the SAN, that is the regulate SAN by sympathetic nervous system. It is regulated by parasympathetic nervous system. The inhibitory center normalize the heartbeat by parasympathetic nervous system. It regulates SAN by sympathetic nervous system. It regulate SAN by parasympathetic nervous system. So when the sympathetic nervous system work, the heartbeat increases. Heartbeat increases, and inhibitory center regulate the decrease in heartbeat. When the situation is normalized, it is responsible for decrease in heartbeat. Decrease in heartbeat. Next, the strength of contraction of heart. Strengthening of contraction also increase. So blood supply increases, and here the decrease of heart rate. Decrease of heart rate. Here increase in contraction or increase in heart rate. Next, the blood flow is increased. Here the blood flow is decreased. It is regulated by, we already discussed sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is stimulated by the adrenaline hormone. Sympathetic nervous system is stimulated by adrenaline, or we can say the adrenaline is responsible for the increase in heartbeat. And the cardiac inhibitory center is regulated by the hormone acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. So the adrenaline hormone, here the acetylcholine. Work at normal, so these are the two centers located in the medulla. One is responsible for the accelerating heartbeat, and the second one is responsible for the lower the heartbeat, reduce the heartbeat. And the third, next one we discuss the endocrine gland or endocrine hormones that regulate the heartbeat. The two cardiac center are, we discussed the cardiac acceleratory center and the cardiac inhibitory center. The cardiac accelerating center, as we know, it works during exercise or during the stress situation. But the inhibitory centers it work at normal or resting condition. Now we will discuss the hormone that control the heartbeat. So the second one, that is endocrine or hormone control of heartbeat. So the first hormone is adrenaline, and the another one the noradrenaline. The adrenaline is also called epinephrine, and the noradrenaline is norepinephrine. Both the hormone is secreted by adrenal medulla. Their source is adrenal medulla. And the hormone adrenaline increases heartbeat. The adrenaline increases heartbeat. As we know, it is also called emergency hormone. Increases heartbeat, it works during the exercises, during the stress condition, adrenaline hormone. And the noradrenaline hormone regulate heartbeat during normal situation. It works during normal situation, and it works during the exercise, during psychic influence, during the stress condition. So the heartbeat is controlled, number 1, by nervous control and in endocrine gland. Normally, it is controlled by the nodal tissues, SAN, AVN, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. So these are the control of heartbeat. Now we will